Hi, I present my channel Genius Production. First of all, I create my videos not for money, but for fun. If I break rules of copyright, send me a mail and I will delete the video. Thank you for attention.
From Alexandro, and what about that? From Cristiano Ronaldo. Towering header to make it 10 for the season and put Juve back in front.
Well, how long does he stay in the air here? Alexandro. Rafael Guerrero with the cross. Ronaldo!
Cristiano Ronaldo breaks the deadlock. His 10th goal at the European Championship Finals equals Michel Platini's record for the tournament. And Wales have to come from behind. Stunning header from Ronaldo. Ronaldo! It had to be him. He is the Torino heartbreaker. Ronaldo! Wonderful. Again and again and again. Same man, same old story. Di Maria. Good ball from Marcelo that. Great cross header! Goal! Cristiano Ronaldo! A magnificent header! Real Madrid with a breakthrough! What a big goal that could turn out to be! No chance for Pinto. It was glorious. Now Di Maria. Oh, it's a wonderful header. It is a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United has hurt Manchester United. Cristiano Ronaldo. 1-1.
As well, the tightest of situations, Ronaldo! Head and shoulders above everybody else.
Wonderful play from Isco Rob and a fantastic header from Cristiano.
For awaits the cross. At the head of the queue is Cristiano Ronaldo! Well, that was some stretch by Ronaldo to stretch Real Madrid into the lead.
It's an incredible header, Rob, it really is. Talk about the stretch and also the power that he generates. He has no right to do that.
Here's Brown for Ronaldo! In the 26th minute, his 42nd goal of the season. It's come against Chelsea. It's come in the Champions League final.
And this young Portuguese lad doesn't disappoint. What a stunning header. Watch Check. He doesn't move. It's beyond him in a flash.
Left cross for Ronaldo. Heads it across.
Hat-trick with the head. No, this one is his best. This one is an absolute astonishing header. Set up beautifully from the fire-breathing dragon from Wales. Gareth Bale, imperious with his service, but look at this.
Now Cancelo. Ronaldo! He's just astonishing. Champions League goal number 125. 12 years on from his very first.
Di Maria skips it in. Ronaldo rises highest. Yet another goal for the Cristiano Ronaldo collection. His 38th of the season.
I think it's his third shot in just under 11 minutes. Great header though. There's three of them get up long, but it was too big.
Being tactile. It's towards Ronaldo, who has the last laugh.
Oh my goodness.
That was a bullet header.